Okay. Leonardo da Vinci Airport. So I have to say like that. Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci Airport. But still, I haven't find that one written anywhere. No problem. Okay. Enjoy the ride from Leonardo da Vinci Airport. But it's still duty free. Duty free is also there, yeah? Oh my god. I will go from here.